Today, we have first crack nitong bagong nilabas ni Deepcool, which is the LS720 na liquid cooler. And I think this is something nice na nilabas ni Deepcool. And I'm really excited na buksan to. No? And it also has anti-leak tech inside. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So i-unbox na natin right now is the Deepcool LS720 na liquid cooler. So pagtanggal natin itong sleeve, kita natin na simpleng-simple lang ang kanyang packaging. Okay, pagbukas natin, there's another big lalagyan dito, no? So pag slide out natin dito, yun, kita mo everything's already here. Ooh, nice. So, hawak na natin right now is the pump itself. So, tanggalin na natin ang packaging niya. And kita natin, there's thermal paste down here. And of course, may copper plate siya, no? Para mas magandang dissipation ng heat. And of course, dalawang pipeline. Kitang-kita natin dito. Solid ang kanyang material. Braided ang kanyang outer loop. And looks quite solid, ah. And of course, ang dalawang socket dito, ikakabit natin sa motherboard. And look, ito ang kanyang pinagmamalaki, ang infinity mirror na customizable ang kanyang look. Once na kinabit natin to sa ating motherboard, makikita natin ang kanyang itsura. So right now, papakita ko lang sa inyo is first impression and unboxing nitong cooler na to. At first, very impressed ako dito sa kanyang design, and it's made out of solid materials. I think it's aluminum, kaya medyo magaan siya, no? And this one supports the Deepcool 4th Gen na pump, making yung heat dissipation a lot more efficient, especially sa Intel na chip. Now, sabi ni Deepcool, you have to place it on 6 o'clock, meaning nakaharap siya pababa. Okay? So, to be more efficient. So, if I'm correct, it should be looking something like this. Okay? So, yung pump, ito, 6 o'clock. Okay? Nakita mo sa baba yung ano, no? Yung kinadalong pipeline. So, yun ang pinaka-efficient for Intel. Sa AMD, yes, okay din siya, pero hindi kasing laki ng kanyang, yung improvement as opposed sa mga Intel na chip. Now, for the unboxing, meron tayong tatlong 360mm na RGB na fan. And it looks nice. And I heard that this one are pretty quiet. Okay, so this is the fan. Okay. Looks nice. So, makikita natin pa once na pinailawan natin dito sa ating channel, it's gonna be looking really awesome. So, imamount yan syempre dito. Okay. Yan, sa kanyang radiator. Pretty solid ang kanyang feel din, no? Kita natin. Now, there's a small box inside. It's just yung mga nuts and screws and of course, yung mga pang-mount natin sa processor. We have here some cables, which is, ito yung mga pang-kabit natin, pang-extend, no, ng RGB natin. And of course, itong plate na gagamitin natin sa Intel. Ito naman sa AMD, some nuts and screws, some user guide para hindi kayo malito, and nothing else. Now, i-share ko sa inyo, no, kung bakit okay itong LS series ni Deepcool. Now, meron siyang bagong-bago na Deepcool 4th Gen na pump, which has improved microchannel na powerful 3-phase motor para mabilis ang heat dissipation. It's very important na lalo when you're hardcore user, hardcore gamer, especially mga heavy na video editing, importante mabilis ma-dissipate ang heat sa inyong processor. Now, another feature is low operational noise. The fans are calibrated para tahimik siya. Hindi mo marinig na parang tumatakbo ng fan na maingay, humihigop o nagbubuga. Ito, tahimik na tahimik. Yan ang sabi ni Deepcool sa atin. Now, another feature na masasabi ko gustong-gusto ko dito, which is I have yet to try, is that itong customizable ang kanyang look dito, no? So, kahit anong orientation gawin mo, ito pwede mo rotate and pwede mong lagyan ng design, which is definitely going to be very cool once na na-install na natin ito. Then, promise din pala ni Deepcool, this one has supreme performance, giving you probably the best na dissipation, heat dissipation, and cooling system na meron possible para sa inyong processor. And of course, another promise din ni Deepcool is that madali daw mag-install nito, simple and secure. Now guys, if you're interested to know kung ano magiging itsura netong LS720 ni Deepcool once na na-install na natin sa ating CPU, stay tuned kayo dito sa aking channel. I'll be building one rig using this one. I'm pretty sure na it's going to look nice. Especially, I'm looking forward yun sa customizable niya na pump, no? Yung RGB niya, pwede mo i-customize. So, I'm really looking forward to try that out. And of course, gusto ko malaman kung gaano kalamig, kung gaano ka-efficient nga ba talagang cooling system nitong LS720. Abangan nyo sa aking upcoming na video. And of course, syempre guys, to be able to receive notification, you have to subscribe. And of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para ma-notify kayo once na-upload ko ang full review nitong LS720 ni Deepcool. And so, ako pa si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?